Hello, it's me, and I have a surprise unboxing. A surprise because it was, well, a surprise to me. All of a sudden, I found, sitting on my porch, a package from Twisty-Tex. Completely unexpected, and I have no idea what this is. So this is very exciting. I can barely contain myself. So let's see what joys have come out of Texas. Once again, we see open other end. Okay, so let's see what this is. Like I say, it could be absolutely anything. Alright, we have some descriptions. So let's see what we got. What have you done, Casey? What have you done? Okay, so first one here is, John, when I got these puzzles back, it just didn't feel right. Oh, are you kidding me? I specifically had you in mind when I made the cubic 3x5x7 horror bump cuboid, so I'm returning the puzzle to its rightful owner. With the errant sticker fixed. Besides, you solved it halfway. You have to finish the solve. Also, the box seemed empty without the cubic 4x6x8 non-shape-shifting ultimate shapeshifter, so I put it back in to fill up the void. I suppose it was telling me that it wanted to go back to your house too. I would really appreciate it if you could mention at some point that the cubic 4x6x8 is just the next iteration of the same cubic cuboids begun by one of my most admired puzzle friends, Cameron Patzer. Patzer? I hope I'm pronounced that right. I hope you enjoy your puzzles. I can't think of a better place for them to go out, better place for them to live out their days. I am totally overwhelmed right now. I did not anticipate that whatsoever. Here's the descriptions of those. So here it is back again. I just sent this out, packaged up in exactly the same way. We have oh, pens. Interesting. What do we have here? Twisty-Tex. All right, memorabilia. So I am very excited to see this return. Completely unanticipated. It's always been my honor to play with, solve, and assist in any way that I can with these. But looking at this, it was actually very hard to let them go. Here's the other one in the solve position, and indeed, the sticker is now replaced. So this is the actual solve state. Well, one of the solve state of that without the stickers being in the wrong place. Well, I am right now completely speechless. And if you ask anyone who knows me, that is not an easy place to be. Casey, you are someone of incredible class and thoughtfulness, and I can't tell you how grateful I am to be able to add these to my collection. Again, completely unanticipated, and I really don't know what to say. I've lost the eloquence for that. But I will guarantee that it will have a great home. These will be played with frequently, and I'll see if I can even find some alternative solutions to both. And as a matter of fact, I can't wait to attack this one and get it back into its cube form. And as a matter of fact, if so wanted, I would be happy to show that on a video as well, getting this back from one solved state to another solved state. Once again, Casey, I very much appreciate it. Completely unexpected, and I'm overwhelmed at this point. So I say to everyone, thanks for watching, and to Casey, thanks for what should I say? This very unanticipated but highly, highly appreciated gift. Thanks for watching.